Hey, are we still going to the park today?
I don't think so. Have you looked outside?
Oh, wow. It's raining really hard.
Yeah, and the weather forecast says it might continue all evening.
That's disappointing. I was looking forward to our picnic.
Me too. We spent all week planning it.
I even bought snacks and drinks this morning.
Really? I prepared sandwiches at home.
Looks like we'll have to save them for another day.
I guess so. Nature had different plans for us.
Should we cancel completely?
Maybe not. We can still do something indoors.
Like what?
How about going to a movie or a cafe?
A movie sounds fun.
Great! At least the day won't be wasted.
You're right. Let's make the best of it.
Exactly. Rain can't ruin our whole day.
Hey, you don't look very happy today.
Yeah, it was a really stressful day at the office.
What happened?
My manager kept giving me extra work all day.
That sounds exhausting.
It was. I barely had time for lunch.
Did something go wrong at work?
A project deadline was moved up and everyone was under pressure.
No wonder you're in a bad mood.
Honestly, I'm just tired of dealing with problems every day.
I understand. Sometimes work can be overwhelming.
Exactly. I was looking forward to a peaceful day, but it became chaotic.
Well, you're home now. Try to relax a little.
I'm trying, but my mind is still thinking about work.
How about taking a walk or watching a movie?
That might actually help.
Don't let one bad day ruin your evening.
You're right. Tomorrow is a new day.
That's the spirit.
Thanks. I already feel a bit better.
Welcome home, honey. How was your day?
It was pretty tiring, to be honest. Work was stressful today.
I'm sorry to hear that. Maybe I can make your evening better?
Really? How?
First, close your eyes.
That sounds suspicious.
Just trust me.
All right, my eyes are closed.
Okay? Now open them.
Wow, what's this?
It's a gift for you.
A gift? But it's not my birthday.
I know. I just wanted to surprise you.
That's so sweet of you.
You've been working really hard lately, and I wanted to show my appreciation.
I honestly wasn't expecting this at all.
Go ahead and open it.
All right. Wow, this is amazing.
Do you like it?
Of course, I absolutely love it.
I'm glad. I spent a long time choosing it.
You picked the perfect gift.
Seeing your reaction makes it worth it.
Thank you so much. You've completely changed my mood today.
That's exactly what I hoped for.
You're the best. Thank you, sweetheart.